Can you go ahead and crank it?
Yeah.
Alright, stop. Alright, go ahead and crank it again. Alright, stop. Just one more time. Hold on here. Alright, go ahead and crank it. Alright, go ahead and crank it one more time. Alright. Alright, go ahead and crank it one last time. Alright, good.